Hello guys, welcome to my channel all about products. We're here with more awesome products from AliExpress and Amazon. Links are in the description, so don't miss them. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell for more update. Let's get started. If you're looking for an easy way to keep your food fresh longer, check out the Chef Preserve Compact Vacuum Sealer. This powerful handheld vacuum sealer removes air in just 5 seconds, so your food stays fresh way longer in the fridge or freezer. It even comes with 30 reusable vacuum bags in different sizes, perfect for snacks, leftovers, or full meal prep. It's compact, lightweight, and super easy to use, making it great for any kitchen. I've added the links in the description. You can grab it on Amazon or AliExpress. Check it out and start saving food and money today. If you're looking to upgrade your kitchen setup, check out this titanium cutting board double-sided food grade. It features pure titanium on one side and durable PP on the other, giving you a strong double-sided design that's perfect for separating meats and veggies. It's food grade, super sturdy, and doesn't absorb odors or stains like traditional wooden boards. Plus, it's really easy to clean. Just rinse and wipe, and you're done. If you want a more durable and hygienic cutting surface, I've added the links in the description. You can grab it on Amazon or AliExpress. Check it out. If you enjoy baking at home, you'll definitely want to check out this 10-speed tilt-head electric stand mixer. It features 10 different speeds, so whether you're gently mixing cake batter or kneading thick bread dough, it handles it smoothly. The tilt head design makes it easy to switch attachments, and it comes with a bowl, dough hook, whisk, and beater. Everything you need in one set. It's powerful, easy to use, and perfect for everyday home cooks. I've added the links in the description. You can grab it on Amazon or AliExpress. Check it out and make baking so much easier. If you want to make summer extra fun, check out this Hawaiian shaved ice kid-friendly electric snow cone machine. It's super easy to use, and just add ice, press a button, and in seconds you get perfectly shaved ice for snow cones. Kids love it, and it's perfect for parties, family gatherings, or just a cool treat on a hot day. The machine is compact, safe, and easy to clean, so you can enjoy delicious shaved ice without any hassle. I've added the links in the description. You can grab it on Amazon or AliExpress. Make summer sweeter with your own shaved ice at home. If you love making homemade dumplings or empanadas, check out this Empanada Maker Press 6-inch extra large dumpling maker set. It comes with a 6-inch press, a dough cutter, and a dumpling mold, making it super easy to shape, fill, and seal your treats perfectly every time. The set is durable, simple to use, and saves you a ton of time in the kitchen. I've added the links in the description. Grab it on Amazon or AliExpress and make perfect dumplings and empanadas at home. If you love cooking healthier meals at home, you've got to check out the Prime Home Direct Bamboo Steamer Basket 10-inch 2-tier. This 2-tier bamboo steamer makes it easy to steam vegetables, dumplings, or your favorite Asian dishes like a pro. It comes with 50 liners, chopsticks, and a sauce dish, so you have everything you need in one set. The bamboo construction cooks food evenly while keeping all the flavor and nutrients intact. I've added the links in the description. You can grab it on Amazon or AliExpress. Start steaming healthier meals effortlessly at home. If you want to make cooking easier and faster, check out the Gorilla Grip Garlic Press and Peel Set. This heavy-duty set makes mincing and crushing garlic, ginger, nuts, and seeds a breeze. It features a large ergonomic handle for comfort and comes with a peeler so you can peel cloves quickly without any mess. Durable and easy to use, it's perfect for everyday cooking. I've added the links in the description. Grab it on Amazon or AliExpress and make prep work in the kitchen effortless. If you love entertaining or just indulging in sweet treats, check out the Cucini Electric Fondue Pot Set. This chocolate fondue kit comes with temperature control, detachable serving trays, and 4 roasting forks, making it easy to dip fruit, marshmallows, or snacks perfectly every time. It's stylish, easy to use, and perfect for parties, date nights, or family fun. I've added the links in the description. You can grab it on Amazon or AliExpress. Make every gathering sweeter with your own chocolate fondue at home. If you love homemade fries or perfectly cut veggies, check out the Sopeto Professional French Fry Cutter Stainless Steel. This sturdy cutter makes slicing potatoes, carrots, cucumbers, and more effortless with its sharp 1/2-inch blade. It's built with durable stainless steel, so it won't bend or break, and it saves you a ton of time compared to cutting by hand. I've added the links in the description. You can grab it on Amazon or AliExpress. Make perfectly cut fries and veggies at home with ease. If you want a versatile and convenient way to cook, check out the 5-in-1 portable glass air fryer. This 2-in-1 air fryer lets you switch between large and small sizes. Perfect for cooking anything from crispy fries to whole meals. Made with premium materials, it's durable, easy to clean, and even dishwasher safe. Plus, the nested design makes storage a breeze, saving space in your kitchen. I've added the links in the description. You can grab it on Amazon or AliExpress. Make healthy, delicious meals effortlessly at home. Thanks for watching. Now it's your turn. Drop your favorite in the comments below. Until next time, keep learning and keep exploring.